How to place order on SHEIN app. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. You'll land to the shop page. Now from here you can select the items that you want to order, or also you can search for the specific item. At the very top you will see the search box. Once you have selected the item that you want to order, click on the option Add to Cart. Now select the color as well as size for the item. Now you can head over to the cart section once you are done with selecting the items. Now here you're gonna find the list of the items that you have selected to order. Check in for the items, then click on checkout. Now you will be prompted to add your shipping address, then select your shipping method. Then select your payment method. If you have gift card or if you want to apply the coupon code, you can click on these options and do that. Now scroll down. Here you're gonna find your payment details. Now click on continue. Now provide your payment details, card number, expiration date, CVV. Check your billing address. Then click on place order. With that you have just confirmed your order. So this way you can easily place your order on SHEIN. If this tutorial was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.